In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text on Visme. This process might sound simple, but knowing how to do it effectively can really make your presentation or document stand out. So, let's dive right into it. To start off, you'll want to select the text you wish to highlight. This is the foundational step in ensuring that the correct text is modified. Simply double-click on the text box. Once you're in editing mode, you can either drag your cursor over the specific part of the text that needs emphasis, or, if you're feeling bold and want to highlight the entire text object, just place your cursor anywhere inside the text box. This initial interaction is key, as it sets the stage for the next actions. Once your text is selected, it's time to navigate through Visme's intuitive interface. Look for the text editing panel located conveniently on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll want to locate the tab labeled Effects, and with a simple click, you'll open up a range of possibilities. Within the Effects section, you'll find the Annotations tab. This is where the creative part begins. In the Annotations section, you are presented with various options like box, underline, circle, and more. These are your tools for adding visual distinction to your text. For our purpose, to create a highlight effect, you'll want to choose the option marked Box or any style similar that aligns with your aesthetic preference. This selection will place a colored rectangle behind your text, drawing attention to it. Now that you've selected the style, it's time for some customization. Here's where you can get a bit creative. Consider adjusting the thickness. This controls how prominent or subtle your highlight appears. You also have the option to change the height, giving you control over how much space the highlight occupies vertically. Color is another important factor. Selecting a suitable color can either make your highlight subtle or create a strong contrast that captures attention instantly. Optionally, you might want to add a blur effect if you're seeking a softer, glow-like appearance. And don't forget to adjust the position, which dictates where your highlight sits relative to the text, whether it's precisely aligned or offset slightly. Once you're satisfied with these settings, go ahead and apply the annotation by clicking Confirm or Apply. You'll see your selected text now beautifully accented with the highlight effect. But don't worry too much if it's not quite perfect yet. Visme offers the flexibility to tweak and fine-tune the annotation in the text editing panel. This ensures everything aligns perfectly with your vision. For those who want to add even more flair, consider combining your highlight with other text styles, such as bold or italic, or even changing the font color. An added bonus is the Copy Style tool, easily recognized by its paintbrush icon. This nifty feature allows you to replicate the highlight style and formatting across other text boxes, saving you time and ensuring consistency throughout your project. And that's it. You now have the tools needed to make your text pop in Visme effectively. With a few easy steps, you'll be able to enhance your documents and presentations effortlessly. Happy creating!